In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Vanilla Visa gift card in Sam's Club. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to make checkout smooth and straightforward. Start by opening your browser and heading to samsclub.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in during checkout since Sam's Club typically requires an active membership to complete online purchases. Once the homepage loads, look to the very top left of the screen. You'll see the main menu across the top. Click on the option labeled Departments to open the full list of categories. From there, scroll down through the categories until you find the gift card section. This is where Sam's Club groups all of its card options together. Go ahead and click Gift Cards to open that page. On the Gift Cards page, you'll see several subcategories that help you filter your results. Select the one that says Amex, Visa, and MasterCard. This narrows the view to network gift cards, including the Vanilla Visa options we want. You'll now see the available Vanilla Visa gift cards. Offerings can vary, but you'll typically find different denominations and multi-packs. Take a moment to click into a card you're considering so you can review details like purchase fee, shipping method, and any restrictions. Vanilla Visa cards are generally not reloadable, are intended for personal use or gifting, and work anywhere Visa debit is accepted in the United States. It's a good idea to check the fine print for expiration of funds or monthly fees after a period of inactivity. When you found the Vanilla Visa card that fits your needs, select the quantity if that option is available, then click Add to Cart. After adding, move your attention to the top right corner of the site and click the cart icon to open your cart. Here, review your item, quantity, and any activation or purchase fees so there are no surprises. If you accidentally added more than you need, adjust the quantity or remove items before continuing. When everything looks correct, proceed to checkout. You'll be guided through confirming your shipping details and payment method. Depending on availability, some cards ship to your address. Make sure your delivery information is accurate and complete your purchase as directed on the screen. That's it. You navigated to gift cards, filtered by Amex, Visa, and MasterCard, chose a Vanilla Visa option, added it to your cart, reviewed it, and continued to checkout. Save your order confirmation for your records and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.